Welcome to Fraction Series Episode 6. Today we're going to focus on a fractions test. There's going to be 5 questions. For each question, you're going to have 1 minute to complete the question, and then I'm going to reveal the answer. If you get the answer right, move on to question number 2. If you get the answer wrong, click on the link to the solution. Here's question number 1. You have 1 minute starting now. Okay, time's up. Answer to question number 1 is 9/7. If you got that correct, move on to question number 2. If you got it wrong, click on the link on the screen now. Okay, here's question number 2. You have 1 minute starting now. Okay, time's up. Answer for question number 2 was 41/20. If you got that correct, move on to question number 3. If you got it wrong, go ahead and look at the solution on the screen now. Okay, here's question number 3. You have 1 minute starting now. Okay, time's up. Answer to question number 3 is 18/5. If you got that correct, move on to question number 4. If you got it wrong, click on the screen now to check the solution. Okay, here's question 4. You have 1 minute starting now. Okay, time's up. Answer number 4 is 1/3. If you got that correct, move on to question number 5. If you got it wrong, click the link on the screen now. Okay, here's question 5. You have 1 minute starting now. Okay, time's up. And the answer is 20 over 33. If you got that correct, that's the end of the fractions test. If you got it wrong, go ahead and click on the solution now.